Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oxygen Resuscitator full guide. Begin by inspecting the device, confirming oxygen supply and flow, and checking mask seal and valves. Then assess patient responsiveness, clear the airway, and be ready to deliver controlled breaths while monitoring chest rise and vital signs, maintaining calm communication with helpers, and preparing backup equipment for safety throughout the procedure. Prepare carefully before ventilating. Wash hands, put on gloves, and assemble the resuscitator and tubing while confirming oxygen flow and pressure. Check the mask size and test the valve and reservoir bag for leaks. Position the patient supine with a proper airway maneuver, clear visible obstructions, and brief any assistant on timing and compressions if needed, so you act smoothly and safely when delivering the first breaths. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and check the link in the description as a lighthearted gear tip related to comfort during long shifts. See the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When ready, place the mask and form a tight seal using the CE grip, watching for consistent chest rise as you squeeze the bag. Deliver breaths at the appropriate rate and volume for the patient, pausing only to reassess pulse and airway. Adjust mask position or bag pressure if ventilation is inadequate. Communicate clearly with helpers, document interventions, and prepare to transition to advanced airway management or ongoing support as required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.